What's up guys, it's Luis here, and today we're going to be working on my 1994 Integra. I bought some new bushings. I got the front sway bar bushings and I also got the trailing arm bushings. So before we get started on that, let's do a quick unboxing video. Let's get into this. Unboxing's pretty easy. These are two trailing arm bushings, and then some lube, and then instructions. Also, here's a front sway bar. Here are the front sway bar bushings with some more lube and some instructions. Yes, sir. Now let's go put these babies on. So I've seen videos on how to do this on YouTube, and they all take off their trailing arm from the car. So today I'm gonna try to do something different and try to keep it on the car without actually having to take it off. So less work, more time, time's the money. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so yes, I switched shirts. Now my blue one, not a white one. That one was a baggy shirt. I wasn't liking it. So first things first, what I realized was before we get into actually installing the bushings, I need to buy this right here. Let me show you real quick. This one. So let's head on to Lowe's. Go get this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Lowe's and go get that real quick, and then we can get started on this install. So I didn't have exactly what I needed, so I had to improvise a little. I just got this though. I got two plates. I saw that in one YouTube video. And then I got two small washers and then two huge ones. Let's see how that works out, alright? Just got the bushings. So I'm gonna go put this on, boys. Alright, so safety's number one priority. So we gotta put the jacks. This ain't going anywhere. Alright, so first thing we wanna do is loosen up this bolt right here. It's a 14 millimeter. This one up and this one up. I believe they are 17s. This one right here, we don't want to miss this. But I'm gonna get my power tools to loosen this up. Be back. Damn guys, I guessed it correctly. It's a 12. Oh shit. Let's go get it. Yo, you know how dangerous that is? What the? Alright, what you want to do is, if you get this, you want to take it out, either cut it or burn it off. What I'm going to do is I'll burn it off. So, let's get it. Took off that stuff. Nasty. Make sure to always pick up after yourself. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is burn it off while it's still in there. I moved this line off the side so it won't burn it. Alright, let's see how it goes. What I did, I got the, you can get a brush. Any type of brush will work. This brush is fine as well. Just clean it off. But I got this, so I just go like perfect. Next step, we clean up. What I'm gonna do next is lube this up. Alright, when you lube it up, you want to lube up the sides and then the middle as well. And the other side, same thing. And so when we put it on, we'll use this, stick it in there, and then use these washers. But what we want to do first, put it like this. Put it from the outside in.
TJ.
It took a long time, but I got the bushing in there. So what you want to do for this is either bang it in with a hammer, or what I did is I got a, you can either get a chain, or in my case I got a dog leash. I hooked it up to the little hole in there, and then I pulled it from the other side, and it went right in there, went right through there. Alright, so right after that, you want to tighten everything back up, put everything back together. Alright, so it's the exact same thing for the other side. I'm not gonna record it because it's the same thing. So, same steps, everything. Good job. So for the front sway bar bushings, all you have to do is take off 2 bolts. I'm gonna show you in the video, but I'm not gonna change it right now because it's late and it's cold. I'm gonna go inside and get some sleep. One, 2, just unscrew those. Comes right off, easy. Alright, so what I realized is that I have an outro. I didn't finish up with an outro, so thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm not no mechanic. I just see like a Lego thing, and then try to watch other videos as a guide. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Easy stuff. Remember, you guys can also make this into like a small business type of stuff. Do it for like as a side hustle with your family members. Help them out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, comment. If you guys have any tips on doing this job better, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.